This is the Vault System 60. At first glance, it's a perfect cube, 172mm in all directions, but it doesn't stay that way. It's a modular paint, storage and display system designed for the hobby desk. It holds up to 60 paints. Its strong and sturdy design that can house most popular paint pots and dropper bottle style of paints. It's totally modular, ready to be configured to suit your space. The lower section houses a removable sealed wet palette. The whole system is 3D printable, designed to be printed on the most common size print beds of 220mm by 220mm. Quick and easy display system for small workspaces, portable and easily ascended for game nights or taking to friends. Each section unfolds into a structured layout for paints, tools and ongoing work. Everything has a place, everything stays visible. Stacked or separated to meet your needs. Designed to be integrated with your existing setup. Not just for paint, but for displaying what you're working on. From compact cube to complex workstation, this is the beginning of the Vault system. Designed to evolve. Subscribe to stay up to date with the new additions to the Vault system and more designs.